All right, we are starting our chapter on percents today. First section is percents and fractions. So we kind of want to hit on these vocabulary words really quick. A percent is a ratio, so kind of just a fancy word for fraction, whose denominator is 100. Okay, so we're going to use that idea. For this first section, we're going to write percents as fractions. Now, this may be something that you've done before. So I'm going to give you a percent. So for this first one, we're going to look at 80%. Okay, so the important thing you need to remember about percents is it is a number over 100. And it is actually going to be this number over 100. And just like always, since we are super awesome, incredible students, we always want to make sure this is in the simplest form. So I know I can chop off a 0 or divide out a 10 from both of those. And I have 8 over 10. I can divide out a 2. So I get 4 over 5. So 80% as a fraction is 4/5. Okay, so I want you guys to do this one, 62%. So pause the video, write that number over 100 and simplify. Okay, you should have got 31 over 100. Okay, and now let's kind of go the opposite direction. We want to write the fraction as a percent. So once again, kind of thinking along these lines that a percent is a number over 100. So for this first fraction, if I have 27 over 50. Okay, my goal is to get my denominator here to equal 100. So I know that I want a 100 in my denominator. Now if it works out that I know an easy way to get from one side to the next, we can just use that one. I know that 50 times 2 gives me 100. So if I take 27 times 2, it gives me 54. This number right here, over 100, is my percent. So 27 over 50 is the same thing as 54%. Okay, let's do 13 over 25. Okay, so once again, remember, our goal is to get that 100 in the denominator. So hopefully you notice that I can take 25 times 4, and that will give me 100. So if I do the same thing on my numerator, 13 times 4 gives me 52, I believe. So that number over 100, that is my percent.